So this video I'm going to compare two wigs. One wig is made with the closure wig. This one is the hairband wig. I want to compare the fullness because we use different hair volume to make these two wigs. You can see this. This one is the 20-inch. This one is a 20-inch. You can see the fullness of the whole wig. This one. You compare to the 24-inch. Remember, this is a 20-inch without a lace closure, lace bundle. And this one is a 24. This one is a 24-inch. 3 bundles. We make this wig with 3 bundles and 1 closure. This one. 3 bundles and 1 closure. This one. Yeah. Let me compare this one. This one is 2 bundles. This one is 2 bundles. Without closure, without frontal, only the look. It's the hairband without any lace. This one, without any lace. No lace, no lace. This one. This is the hairband with 2 bundles, 20-inch. This one is 3 bundles. 3 bundles, 24-inch. This one is 24-inch. As you can see, the fullness. Lace, this is closure with the lace, HD lace. And this one without the lace. Hairband. So you can see the fullness. So when you order the wigs, you will know how many bundles you will let us to make the wig.